Hey, this is Gayle from BERNINA of Naperville, and it is Friday, May 7th. And you know what makes it special today? It's the last day to register for our Say Cheese event, which takes place on May 21st from 10 to 4. That's a really long class. It's a Zoom. You're going to be hands-on with your machine with an OESD educator and yours truly that will be there to also answer questions. But you're going to make 3 projects. You're going to make this garden sign, you're going to make this card, and you're going to make a cute little key fob. So these are all some of the examples of the stuff that you're going to make in the class. You also get a bonus design. You are also going to get designs in addition to these, so you could kind of make some other stuff if these things rock your world. So don't forget, register. I'll have the link in this video description, and the link is also on the homepage of our website, which, as a reminder, is www.berninaofnaperville.com. So now that I've got that out of my system, let's take a little tour around the store. Don't forget, we have some Central Perk, Mandalorian, and little Minnie Mouse cheetah print fabric. We have tons of new 10-inch square cuts, art gallery, some Moda, and then we just continually add to some of our other pre-cuts. Down here we've got some new jelly rolls from Kaufman, some other, this is the Lilliput from Art Gallery, and then some other things. And then don't forget the Elizabeth Hartman flannels. Now we just got some new flannels that we haven't even added to this, as well as some really cute fish and little birds in cages. That is, I think it would be something that would be really cool for pajamas. We always stock our pure solids. And then this is a collection of stuff called Nature Study. And these fabrics are all cute little low volume pieces. And some more pre-cuts. Oh, I love these. You know, if you've got a ton of fabric and you're looking to make it into something, we expanded our pattern line. We've got a lot of new Charisma Horton patterns and the just some of the other stuff. And I know some of you are working on the Winter Village right now, but we have the Summer Village, because guess what? You know that's coming. And then we definitely are going to do something with the Quilt Master and One Giant Stitch. And then these, hey, paper piecing fanatics. We have these beautiful Tamara Kate paper pieced flowers and bugs and butterflies. And we even have this fabric collection. Oh, did I say Tamara Kate? Well, guess what? We're doing her origami animals. And I took liberty and changed the colors to go more with what I'm doing with this, but this is going to be the center of my lopsided log cabin. So I'm just testing my instructions and making another one. Don't forget, that's a class coming up. Hey, Ghastly fans. Amy is working on a quilt from the Stellar Mosaic out of our Ghastly fabric. Can't wait to see it. It's going to be so cute. I love these colors. We're so lucky to have been able to get this line. So if you haven't gotten it yet, pick it up. And if you need some more, hey, we got it. Would these steal your hearts? They're not angel dogs, they're Cupid dogs. There's even a boyfriend for Camilla right around the corner here. Look at that face. Tula troops, hey, look at us. You know, we've got these stripes and pom-poms, but you know what's coming, don't you? That's right, Curiouser and Curiouser, we swear, is on its way. We're super excited, but it's never too early to stock up on the staples. We are frantically trying to fill our creative grids display here. We've got the wish list out, so if you have some special things you want, don't forget to fill that out and give it to us. We get shipments of these rulers every week. And we've got a lot of different ones. We have ones on order, you've requested ones, and we're going to be doing projects and patterns with these. All right, so the store's a little messy, but I wanted to show you some projects that we're doing. So this is the rocket ship from OESD, and we're just about done with this, but we've been using this gold and silver fabric. It's actually cotton, but it's printed with this kind of paint stuff, and we're using Decoville instead of Fiberform, but it's been coming out pretty good, but we're excited to give them a bath and see how it really turns out. And so that's been on that. On the E16, we have some of the Tamara Kate designs like I showed you earlier. We're finally fulfilling our Bernina 770s, so don't forget about that. And then finally, Mother's Day is on Sunday, but we are celebrating Mother's Day all month here because we have our Bernina 335s on sale for a special price. They are actually $13.99 through May 31st. And then something really special here is we are offering the Bernina 475s with a free Bernina stitch regulator. And that machine, the 475, is also discounted just a little bit. So not only is it discounted, but you're getting a free Bernina stitch regulator, that little cool foot with the infrared light that reads the fabric and regulates your free motion stitches. If you're looking for the best Bernina has to offer, well, the Bernina 790 and the Bernina 880 Plus are coming with your choice of a free gift. That's the Premier package, and you can choose either the Bernina embroidery software, that would be my pick, or a Bernina 480, that's an extra sewing machine, y'all, or you can pick the Bernina L460 overlocker. All right, I'm saving the best for last back here. Hey, get a hold of yourself. Tell your mother, tell your grandmother, tell your kids, your husband, your nieces and nephews. The 770s have arrived, the Bernina 770s, and these are special Bernina 770s because they can come with your choice of embroidery module, L460 serger. So I would start thinking about what you want with these, and they're gonna go fast. We have only a couple left. And then, hey, if Bernina isn't in your favorites box, but a bernette is, the bernette 37s just got in too. Please grab those quickly. What you doing, Amy?
Just doing some work.
What you putting in?
Flannels.
It's more fabric, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so Amy is frantically getting in our new flannels. They're, it's just the right time for flannel because there's nothing that I like to wear more on a hot summer day than a flannel shirt. I'm right? All right, so hey, thanks for taking the tour of the store with us today. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see more videos, maybe like this one, maybe a tutorial, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's pretty easy. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville. And there you can like, comment, and subscribe. But until then, it's work, work, work. And we'll see you again. Bye.